Cassandra, and today we will be learning about our digraphs. Digraphs are two letters joined together to give only one sound. There are several digraphs, but today we will be only looking at 5 digraphs. Our first digraph that we'll be looking at is SH. The S and the H walking together says shh. The S and the H walking together says shh. Very good. As in shh, shoes. Shh, shoes. SH says shh. SH says shh. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh, shh. SH says shh. SH says shh, 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 shh. Shh, shoes. So we are going to write more words that begins with shh. Our first word is sh, up, shop. So the S and the H walking together says shh, sh, up, shop. Sh, up, shop. Our second word is sh, ip, ship. So the S and the H walking together says shh, sh, ip, ship. And the next word that we'll be writing is sh, shot, shot. So our SH words are sh, up, shop, sh, ip, ship, sh, ot, shot. So the S and the H walking together says shh. Good job. Our next digraph that we'll be looking at is the C and the H. And the C and the H walking together says ch. Ch. Say that again. Ch. Very good. As in ch, 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 chair. Ch, 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 chair. CH says ch. CH says ch, 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 ch. Ch, ch, ch. CH says ch. CH says ch, 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 ch. So the C and the H walking together says ch. Good job. Ch, ch, chair. Chair. So our first word that we'll be writing with our ch sound is ch, up, chop. So the C and the H says ch. Ch, up, chop. Our next word that we will be writing is ch, in, chin. Ch, in, chin. And our next word that we'll be writing is ch, ip, chip. So the C and the H walking together says ch. So the words are ch, up, chop, ch, in, chin, and ch, ip, chip. Good job. Our next digraph that we'll be looking at is a T and the H. And the T and the H says th. The T and the H says th. And that is the soft sound for the T and the H. And there's a hard sound for the TH. And the hard sound for the TH is the. So we are going to look at the soft sound first, which is th. 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 As in th, thumb. Thumb. Th, th. TH says th. TH says th. Th, th. Th, th, th. TH says th. TH says th. Th, th, th. th, th, th. Good job. So our first word that we'll be writing is th in thin. So the T and the H walking together says th. Th in thin. Our next word is thumb. And our next word is thank. So the th is a sound for the soft th. Th. So the hard th is the, as in the is this. The is this. Another hard th is the at that. So the hard th says the at that. And the next one is the and then. The and then. So the words are soft sound, th in thin, thumb, thank. Good job. The hard th, the is this, the at that, and the and then. Good job. So the soft th says th, and the hard th says the. Good job. We'll be looking at the P and the H walking together says f. The P and the H walking together give the F sound. As in own, phone. So the P and the H walking together says PH says PH says PH says PH says phone. Our first word that we'll be writing is photo. So the P and the H walking together says for photo. Photo. Our next word is phonics. So the P and the H walking together says phonics. And our next word is phrase. The P and the H walking together says phrase. So the words are photo, phonics, phrase. Good job. Our next digraph is the W and the H. And the W and the H walking together says w. 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 As in whistle. So the WH says w. 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 Whistle. The first WH word that we'll be writing is w at what. W and the H says w. W at what. Our next word is w and when. The W and the H says w. W N, when. Our next word is w, air, where. The W and the H says w. W, air, where. So the words are w at what, w and when, and w, air, where. You did great. All I need you to do now is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.